my name is Lalo Preciado, and then I'm a Mexican guy. I'm from Guadalajara, a small town close by, like 2 hours away. And I'm here in America for like 14 years.
Hey, KK, tell us something about Lalo that only you know, nobody else knows.
About Lalo?
Yeah. Today's his video, so tell us something about Lalo.
3, 2, 1. Okay, my name is Eduardo Preciado, and then I'm a Mexican guy. I'm from Guadalajara, a small town close by, like 2 hours away. And I'm here in America for like 14 years, doing the same kind of work that all the Mexicans do, the hard shit, digging and making verdes. I have four guys there, 4 workers that work for me. They are family and friends that I know for a long time. And there's a good crew. We don't drink when we work. To the end of the day, that's when I get some beer for everybody.
How many times do you have to bail Mike from jail?
2 times to now. So let's see in the future. Maybe they can be more or less, or that's it. Right? But I'm a fucking cabron. Yeah. A little bit of mandilon, but all the Mexicans are mandilones, so it's part of the life.
You could describe Mike in 1 word.
If I describe Mike in 1 word, I'm gonna tell you it's fucking crazy ass bitch.
You can only do this kind of stuff if you're Lebanese, you know what I'm saying? To do all that and not spill your fucking breakfast. You have to speak Arabic. Marhaba, you know? Marhaba. Kifak. Gordita or chalupa?
Chalupa.
Okay. Frijoles con arroz or queso ranchero?
Frijoles con arroz.
Grande verga or chiquito pito?
Chiquito pito.
Always. Choro rojo or choro regular?
Regular.
Trabajo mucho or mucho jalando?
Mucho jalando.
Always, every day. Pick 1 from the list of 6. Taco Bell, Del Taco, El Indio Azteca, El Pollo Loco, the Marisco on the Soto next to the pool store, or El Torito?
Let's go for Toritos.
Okay. Me llamo Chris Pearson or me llamo David Vargas?
David Vargas.
Okay. Nachos Belgrande from Taco Bell or blow your asshole out. 12-pack Frijoles special double Pollo Loco.
The special for the Pollo Loco? Sounds good.
Vámonos a la biblioteca o vámonos a la supermercado?
Vámonos a la market. Supermercado.
Lowrider or tecuache?
Tacuachica. Órale, güey.
So we're gonna go right here and we're gonna do U-turns, but we're gonna drift it. We're gonna drift the U-turns.
Órale.
Ready?
Did you put the window down?
I'll turn the arrow.
Vida loca, güeros.